Alright, Siren doesn't cry, so that means Siren doesn't cry much.
Everything is already as we've witnessed.
It's already the first time Siren is already crying the first time. Ha 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 ha. Stop targeting my name. Call my satay. Kanina ka makauna. Oh my god, this is a bit na naman sa ho 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 ho. Oh, tapos Wuthering Waves. Tapos Wuthering Waves, like yan na pala maka-download. Wala na si Peach. Nabataan na si Peach na
Still here? I shrink.
Kayo na time traveler na naman. Ha 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 ha.
Ayaw pa final week, para tibuhay.
Them and to the first Philia 093.
Okay, mag-use na ikaw yun na sa MLBBYC.
You have my charm.
No naman!
Peach.
Livia.
We're living in the Livia's name and then go.
Oh no!
Then you have to remember mine too. I'm Piso. I always remember.
Why I always remember the pesos rather than Philippine peso 16,000. Guys, what the fuck?
Irene was just a pet. So sleepy. That drowsy little fairy barged
Leaf walking Siren is back on this place again. Don't tell me how much your boba size is. Stay 75, okay fine. I can go out 76 naman name. Ho.
Why?
My name. Please.
See ya. Please. Let us stay yan. Otherwise
Never mind.
My god, this is already the adult Siren is ha 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 ha.
Oh, tapos may the create peace on Libya, not in the same world together. Great, natulog na siya. Oh, great! I didn't naman si Adult Siren. I live this speech alone. Oh my god. Alright, what?
It may sound heavy.
Alright, man na ang Honkai Star.
Inat na ni pawagan ni me.
Alright, the end. Honkai Star Rail. The end of our story. Yes. Kiyokama na redacto na naman. Kaya ko na. Redacto naman pala.